Something massive is happening, and it's not just that artificial intelligence is changing how we work, how we learn, or how we communicate. No, this goes deeper. This is the biggest wealth transfer in modern history, and most people don't even see it coming. Consider this: Microsoft added $200 billion in market value in just a single year, largely because of its advancements in AI. That's more than the GDP of many countries. This isn't just another tech boom, it's a shift into a new economic era. What's even more fascinating is when this is all happening. Economists call it a late cycle environment, a term you'll hear tossed around on Wall Street. But what does that actually mean? Think of the economy like a football game. The early quarters are filled with energy, growth, innovation, new ideas, but now we're deep into the fourth quarter, the final stretch of expansion. Typically, this is when things start to cool off. Investment slows, risk rises, tech innovation levels out, but AI, it's doing the exact opposite. It's rewriting the economic playbook right in front of us. Let's start with Microsoft, because what they're doing is a masterclass in AI-powered disruption. Their integration of Copilot across Office tools isn't just a sleek feature, it's a productivity multiplier. AI isn't just about cutting costs anymore. It's about unlocking entirely new streams of revenue. Imagine turning your Word document into a business collaborator, your Excel sheet into a data scientist. So when Microsoft's stock jumped 8% after an earnings call, it wasn't just hype, it was a signal. A signal that AI isn't a trend, it's a profit engine. And Microsoft isn't doing this alone. If Microsoft is the brain of this new AI economy, then Nvidia is the muscle. Their chips are powering everything, from ChatGPT and Meta's language models to autonomous vehicles and virtual simulations. Quietly, Nvidia has built something close to a monopoly on AI hardware. How big is it? Their market share in AI-specific processors is over 80%. Let that sink in. In a world where every major tech company is racing to build AI, Nvidia controls the hardware that powers the entire ecosystem. And their numbers? They're staggering. Profit margins that are unprecedented. Revenue from AI-focused data centers that doubled in just a year. Nvidia isn't just surfing the AI wave, they're making it. But with all this economic momentum, this rapid acceleration, there's a darker, more uncomfortable question lingering in the background. What happens to the average worker? It's the question that keeps people up at night. When they hear about robots taking orders or algorithms writing emails, the first fear is, am I next? But here's the surprise. The data tells a very different story. According to recent studies, only about 15% of jobs are at high risk of complete automation. Instead, what we're witnessing is a wave of job transformation, not elimination. Let's take a real-world example. Yum! Brands, the company behind Taco Bell, KFC, and Pizza Hut. They've rolled out AI in drive-thrus across the US, but instead of replacing humans, the AI assists them. It takes care of repetitive order taking, allowing workers to focus on real human interaction. The result? Employee turnover dropped by 20%, customer satisfaction went up, and in a labor-short industry, that's a game changer. So maybe the fear is misplaced. Maybe the future of work isn't fewer people. It's people who work smarter with AI. Something else incredible is happening. AI isn't just transforming jobs, it's creating jobs. Brand new ones. Roles like prompt engineers, AI ethicists, algorithm auditors, model trainers. These aren't sci-fi ideas. These are real roles with real salaries popping up everywhere, from startups to Fortune 500 companies.
Today, I'll share the essentials for Azure AI Foundry, starting with a tour of its extensive capabilities as a unified platform that supports you throughout the entire AI development lifecycle, from initial concept with early experimentation, coding in your preferred IDE, pre-production assessment, management in production, and beyond, followed by a real example of the steps for creating a multi-agent application using the new Azure AI Agent Service in Azure AI Foundry, all integrated with your code. Starting with our tour, you can easily reach to Azure AI Foundry at ai.azure.com. And once you've created a project, panning down the left rail, you can quickly see the core experiences. First, the model catalog helps you discover and access a growing collection of thousands of models to power your individual agents as you build your system, including premium large language models from OpenAI, Meta, DeepSeek, Cohere.
The World Economic Forum estimates that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025, and they won't just be in tech. We're talking agriculture, logistics, finance, even art. But as with all revolutions, power attracts oversight. And that brings us to the next front in this AI economic war: regulation. If Silicon Valley is the lab, then Brussels has become the courtroom. The EU AI Act is now setting the global standard for AI regulation, forcing companies worldwide to adapt or fall behind. Meta has already warned investors new European privacy laws could cut ad revenue by 7%. Microsoft is pouring billions into compliance performance measures, because falling short in the EU means losing access to over 500 million users. This is no longer just a legal game, this is a high-stakes chess match between innovation and regulation, ethics and growth. And it's far from over. But let's take a turn into something even weirder and more futuristic. The convergence of AI and cryptocurrency. You've probably heard of WorldCoin, the brainchild of OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman. Their goal? To solve what they call the proof of human problem in an AI-dominated world.
The world had like a 2-week freak out with GPT-4, right? This changes everything. AGI is coming tomorrow. There are no jobs by the end of the year. And now people are like, why is it so slow? And I love that. I think that's a great thing about the human spirit, that we always want more and better.
We've not had this where there has been some general purpose technology whose diffusion happened instantaneously everywhere. In any place, healthcare and education is most of the government spend. You now have, right, the ability to give every student and every citizen of the globe better health advice and a better personalized tutor.
You know, I often think one interesting way to measure this is what % of tasks can GPT-4 do? Let's say it's 10%. Can GPT-5 do 12% of human tasks? Or 15 or 20?
Because when AI can generate fake people, fake videos, fake voices, how do you prove you're real? WorldCoin scans your iris and creates a unique digital ID tied to your human biology. It's already being integrated with platforms like Reddit and Shopify. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's already live in 20+ countries. The implications for digital identity, finance, and global governance are massive. And once again, AI is right at the center. So what does this mean for investors? Here's the key. The companies seeing the strongest, most sustainable performance aren't just the ones talking about AI. They're the ones building the AI infrastructure. Let's break that down. Microsoft's cloud AI services grew 155% year over year. Nvidia's data center revenue doubled. Amazon's Bedrock AI model hosting service is rapidly expanding. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're directional. They point toward a new long-term trend, an AI-first global economy. So if you're thinking long-term, don't chase AI hype. Invest in AI foundations. Now, let's bring this closer to home. If you're a student, a worker, a freelancer, how should you think about your career in this shifting landscape? Here's a term you need to remember: AI augmented expertise. This is the golden zone. It's not about competing against AI. It's about learning to work with it. The future belongs to those who understand the tools, master the systems, and combine AI scale with human insight. Doctors, teachers, artists, business owners, those who adapt will thrive, because AI isn't here to take your job. But someone who knows how to use AI, they might. So, are you just watching the revolution, or are you part of it? Drop your thoughts in a comment, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to WebSpark for more deep dives into the future of tech, AI, and digital transformation. And if you're serious about future-proofing your skills or growing your business in this new era, visit judymarketing.com for tools, insights, and strategies you won't find anywhere else. The AI age isn't coming, it's already here, and it's not waiting for anyone.